To schedule an appointment with an alumni tutor, navigate to the OAS Canvas page and select Schedule Alumni Tutoring. By selecting Schedule Alumni Tutoring, you will open the OAS Bookings calendar. Please select the Alumni Tutor Appointment button, making sure that the button turns red to display the calendar. As you scroll down the page, you will see all available alumni appointments for the next month. Select a date and time that works for you and continue down the page to complete the form. In order to schedule an alumni appointment, we will need your name, email, and phone number, specific questions that you would like to discuss with the alumni tutor, your program and level, the class you would like to discuss, and your campus. Once the form has been completed, please click the Book button, and you should receive a confirmation confirming your appointment with the alumni tutor. All alumni tutoring appointments are hosted on the OAS Canvas page under the Big Blue Button tab. You will also receive a reminder of your appointment from the Office of Academic Success within 24 hours of that appointment.